What's up, everybody? Robert, back to basics outdoors. It is March 22nd and I'm back up here, as you can see, below the Castle Rock Dam. So obviously I'm going out fishing with Robbie again. So as you guys can see, there's white stuff on the ground. So back home, Madison, we got pounded with snow last night and this morning, and looks like they got a little bit of snow up here. So yeah, early Friday, might as well go fishing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Got the plastics with again. I don't know if we're gonna do any live bait today or not, but I brought some crankbaits in case we fish till dark. Give those a whirl as well. So I see Robbie's out in the boat, so I'm gonna get dressed and get out there. So hopefully we'll get on some post snowstorm walleyes. Sounds like a good title. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on the water. No. Where's all the water going? Huh?
If water gets any lower,
I was gonna say
socks opened up or something, because you know it's the latest ever in the spring season sock they've ever opened, I guess. Part of my bus yesterday.
Let's see what happened to all the water.
Last year, hey, this guy, he caught the first one.
First cast.
Oh,
there we go.
Little meat.
We'll take it.
All right. Great start.
Yes, sir.
Like getting out and going right to business, you know?
See, you catch one fish up here and a guy in a boat comes and fishes 12 feet from you.
Yeah.
Like he knows you or
This guy
something.
just moved right in. He's fast. See him on my front. There's something. What's something? Well, we need the bigger guy.
Oh, right out of his mouth, Robbie. Gonna need some stinger hooks. No, just playing them out. Skinnerfing them.
I say yesterday, I normally never need pliers to get my jigs out. Hey, they still do exist out there.
Is that on the new color too?
Yeah.
Nice.
Better just do that. Because
You never know.
we need some meat up in here. Guy. Yeah, with the little glue in there. I'm a selfie, Rob, man.
Boat therapy is the best. Catch and release.
He was close, that guy. A little silent out there.
I'm in sniper mode. That was a solid bite. Little guy. Come on, fish. Get bigger. They are. Spunky. Right next to the old boat, Robbie.
This is where the deep water really rises up. It's been a while. Oh, he's easy come, easy go with that guy.
little musky. Oh, northern. Slimy little bastards. Oh, guy just caught a nice legal.
He barely let, he just nipped. Didn't even know I had a hit. Oh, man.
Lost another one?
Rubber hooks.
James Campbell Jr. and Alex Kenny. We got Oregon and Mequon, Wisconsin guys representing. They got 4 fish. 4 fish here today. 4 fish for boat number 3. And perfect. 5 pounds, 10 ounces. 5 pounds, 10 ounces. Congratulations, guys. 5 pounds, 10 ounces.
We finally got one.
Oh, rinky dinky. No, man.
It felt like a fish at first. No, I don't know.
Just in case.
Oh, yeah, we got one, Robbie.
He says, oh, he's on that little guy.
There we go.
One for the board, baby. Oh, yeah.
We got another legal.
Oh, that guy's nice. Oh, yeah, put them fins up.
Yep.
Poser.
Get pissed.
On something. I finally found something. Ain't good to look. Oh, he's something. Right in the nose.
Long overdue.
I'm out of here. My jig back, you. Spit it. Alright. Stop. Still could have got him. Damn it. Might have been one. Oh, happens to everybody.
Not me.
It will. Oh. Woo. In the chinny chin chin.
It's the same one.
Alright. What is this? We have to start putting zip ties in his gill like the guy did on that one post.
Right?
What is it? Oh, someone was swimming down there. Oh, he was sick.
Well, as you guys can tell, we didn't catch a pile of fish at all. Fishing was tough. When we first got there, fishing was great. I mean, we caught fish right away, looked promising, and then it went downhill. The wind picked up out of the east, and to be honest with you, we froze our ass off. But all in all, it was fun, you know, learning how to fish plastics on Robbie's part of the river. So yeah, I just now got feeling back in my fingers, so that's why I'm doing the closer now. But yeah, I had a lot of fun, so thanks again, Robbie. And it was cool to be sitting out there walleye fishing on the Wisconsin River when your little brother is fishing the MWT down on the Illinois River. So that was the clip in case you guys didn't catch that. So nope, all in all, it was fun going home with 3 illegals. And yeah, that's it. So until the next one, stay tuned, because I will be back out and hopefully it will be warmer. We'll see you guys. Thanks.